Hello friends, this is your spelling test for Unit 16. Now you guys are going to know all the words, aren't you? Okay, word number 1. Let's get started. Word number 1, choke. Do not run with food in your mouth or you might choke. Choke. Number 2, Coke. She ordered a Coke with her lunch. Number 3, rope. In PE class, we had to climb the rope. Rope. Number 4, hope. I hope you spell all these words correctly. Hope. Number 5, joke. The students played a joke on their teacher. Joke. Number 6, mope. Don't mope around all day if you don't get your way. Mope. Number 7, yoke. The yoke is that back part of your shirt where the stitching is. Yoke. Number 8, nope. I asked my mom if I could play outside in the cold weather, and she said, nope. Number 9, poke. Don't touch that cactus, it might poke you. And number 10, woke. She woke up late this morning. Woke. Okay, now I'm going to give you your 3 dictation sentences. Be sure you pause and rewind as needed. Dictation sentence number 1. Did you choke on the Coke? Sentence number 2. The poke was just a joke. Sentence number 3. I hope we can jump with the rope. All right, friends, that is your spelling test and your dictation sentences. Make sure your name is on your paper, and I hope you did well. Good luck.